dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
We will continue to make them restless. Empty drum make loudest noise. Fubara takes another shot at Wike's camp. Moving on, we have electricity tariff hike will further impoverish Nigerians. The northern elders tackle President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Alright, my wonderful people, thank you so much for joining this channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. In case it's your first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly like, comment, share. Don't forget to turn notification bell in case whenever our news drop, that you could be the first to watch. My people no be small kata they happen for this country. My people no be small matter. Governor Timilale Fubara has taken another shot at his former benefactor in Nyesom Wike camp days after he started that his implementation of the presidential peace pact they reached should not be taken as weakness. Fubara, who spoke at the groundbreaking of automobile spare parts marketing in Port Harcourt on Thursday, said that the purported list of People Democratic Party caretaker committee member for the state circulating on social media as fake. He vowed to keep making his camp officer's trained benefactor Nyesom Wike restless. The Rivers State governor said he knows that a lot of them saw something flying in the social media, but he wants to brief them that he had a meeting and they all agreed that not just in Rivers State but in all states affected that the executive council of PDP should be extended for 3 months. This extension is not meant to bring in new names. The extension also did not say that they are working without the authority of the governor. So for those lists that they saw and those ones uttered, that he can assure them that they are not going to stand. And also for the record purpose, so that they will understand, and they also agree that there is going to be a National Electoral Committee meeting on the 18th of this month, April, that should ratify that decision. So what they are saying is the handwork of the desperate people who like media publicity. In fact, empty drums that make largest noise. So they should not bother about anything, that nothing is happening. People that doesn't understand Rivers State politics will be hailing Wike, making noise as if every state in Nigeria will be a one-man show, like Lagos State. Every Rivers governor always rebel against their predecessor. Amechi did it, Wike did it. What makes you think that Fubara will be a boy oh boy? Wike defeated APC federal minds. What makes you think Fubara won't even do worst? That power Wike has. Come 2027, it will be like film. South and Southeast politics is different. Once you come out, you no get power to control anybody. Una think say Fubara be quiet person, omo they go learn say men are rugged in that part of the country. Make we dey watch wetin go happen. My people no be smart. But I hope all this talk is working for the people, because he was elected to work for the people. Let him leave Wike and do his work. Let the people love him for the good governance and not the plenty talk. My people, no be small matter. All these things wey Fubara they do. Now the definition of when you push a man to the wall, he will bounce back in form of lion. That is what Governor of Edo State did to his boss. Because right now we cannot believe in I say this man goes through am shaggy. Alright guys, I go like make I know what to think about this matter in the comment section. I go like hear from una, make una send una comment in the comment section. Moving on to the next one. The Northern Elders Forum has kicked against the recent decision by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu led federal government to increase electricity tariff in the country. The forum described the tariff increase as a reckless move and a complete disregard for the well-being and welfare of the Nigerian people. In the statement by their spokesperson Abdul Aziz Suleiman, the Northern Elders Forum noted that the drastic increase in the electricity tariff will have a significant negative impact on the already struggling population, further exacerbating the gap between the rich and the poor. They called on the federal government to immediately reconsider what they refer to as ill-conceived decision and consider the economic situation faced by the majority of Nigerians. So the Northern Elders Forum reaction is coming 2 days after the Nigeria Electricity Regulatory Commission announced an increment in electricity tariff for Brand A customers. They explained that these are people who enjoy 20-hour supply of electricity daily. So in the statement, the Northern Elders noted that the breakdown of the new tariff revealed an alarming burden that the average Nigerian will face in affording electricity daily. Under the new tariff plan, 24 hours of electricity per day will cost a staggering 5,400, amounting to an unbearable monthly total of 162,000 and an astonishing yearly total of 1,971,000. So these exorbitant amounts are simply unaffordable for the majority of Nigeria, who are already grappling with economic hardship and trying to make end meet. But why are they even doing band A, band D? If not for incompetency, everybody from rich to poor should have access to 24 hours on a pay as you use daily basis. So that way you can decide to pay what you can afford. If it is too costly, and manage the use. The availability though, should be for every registered meter owner. That is the problem of voting for someone who never know what poverty is as a leader. I want to ask one question. What exactly is that one thing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu regime has made possibly easy for a common Nigeria? What is that? He doesn't even care about the poor masses. That is why he removed fuel subsidy on his inauguration day without any measures. Nigeria has entered Lagos one chance. Oh, hey, the way they say poverty is like a disease, and they can't cure it if they don't find a lasting solution to it. I think the problem is the fact that we don't have a standard living in this country. The power sector must be liberated like the telecom sector. No reinvestor will come and invest in a subsidized commodity business. None. You don't want to pay the right tariff for electricity and you want the power to be available. Not possible. So buying fuel to power your home and businesses at the end of the day costs more than paying the right tariff for stable electricity. There should be a power development of convert to liberalize the power sector and completely remove power subsidies. We cannot afford subsidies in Nigeria because of the corruption bracketing this country. When you have a government that doesn't even understand anything, all they want to do is to take from the poor people all the time. The economy is already brutal, making other daily amenities expensive to afford. How is that a sustainable plan? The way the northern, leaders condemn the hike of electricity tariff, let them come out together to fight insecurity in their region. That be the truth. This government no get pity at all. People are seriously suffering, and this clueless government is bringing more to add to what we are suffering. Honestly, Nigerians are suffering. Life is not getting better day by day. I hope the president consider and do the needful. Not in way we don't benefit from this APC bad government. Just wickedness. So guys, I go like make I know what I think about this matter in the comment section. I go like hear from una. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also forget to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining us. To all our viewers, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your awareness, stay safe guys. Bye.